Animation YT. Go subscribe to that channel. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this thing. I wonder if they allow Starbucks on the school bus. Come here. You see this? See how cotton candy now has the new flavor of lemon?
We're about to make out.
Look, cotton candy now has lemon. That's their newest flavor. Where will it used to be here? China Max. I'll see y'all when we order. Alright, we're going back over here. Help? Why do you want help? I'd never seen one of these, so I wouldn't even know. Hey, I didn't know green was apple. I'll buy their chips. You want chips? I'll buy your chips.
No, it's good. You actually drinking that?
Yeah. They're so kind in there. I was like, yeah, I want that. They was like, alright, you want hot or cold? Starbucks in Louisiana would be like, alright, what do you want next? Alright, well, I take that. These people are so kind. Guys, are we waiting on him?
Are you gonna get something?
God, no. I got Starbucks.
We have to go.
Oh yeah, what time? Yo, I just got my sandwich.
Alright, let's get out of here.
We have to.
I have so much money left. Martin!
We're about to go.
Bye!
We gotta wait for him.
I'll wait. I'll wait.
We cannot leave.
Let's go break this up.
We cannot leave a teammate behind.
Yeah, I'm gonna order some Skittles.
What's up about the counter?
Cash. Let's see, hold on. Crap. Do you know how to work this thing?
Yeah, just smash the door and get some Skittles.
Like, we don't have to be there.
That's a 20. I ain't putting a 20 in there.
And then be there at 11:02.
Cash, beat the cameraman real quick.
No, we gotta be there before 11.
Film this. That's all I need you to do. Your hand is in the way.
How much do you need for this?
I have no idea. I'm putting in $1.
My God, it's broken. No. Oh, look in here.
Look at all these
Oh.
flavors.
Oh, wow. Dude, you don't need that much scoop.
Delete.
Guys, we gotta break the machine.
Delete.
Get some strawberry, grape, apple, lemon. Okay.
This is now ruined. Delete.
Start again.
Yes. Start.
Are you stupid, my guy?
No, this thing is broken.